Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing permanent residence here in Thailand. And I got to thinking of this when I got to thinking of making this video when reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thai Cabinet Approves Permanent Residency Policy for Foreigners and Stateless People. Quoting directly, the Cabinet has approved a plan to grant permanent residency PR to up to 100 foreign nationals and 50 stateless people in Thailand this year. According to the Deputy Government Spokesperson, Trisuli Trisaranakun, the draft directives on foreign nationals seeking permanent residency in Thailand were submitted by the Prime Minister's Office and the Interior Ministry. Trisuli expressed hope that the policy will provide attractive travel options for those seeking permanent residency in Thailand, as well as those who wish to temporarily reside in the kingdom while maintaining their employment. Quoting further, the government spokesperson added that the Thai economy would benefit from the presence of capable foreigners seeking to conduct business or invest in the nation, as they could generate more jobs and income for a large number of Thais, particularly during the post-pandemic period. And apparently that comes from original story in NNT. Yeah, a lot going on here. So, yeah, it looks like the sort of the quota tranche, if you will, of folks that will be allowed to file for permanent residence in Thailand has been approved. And generally speaking, when we see this happen, this is kind of a preliminary step before we usually see the actual application window open. For those who are unaware, it's not possible to just apply for Thai permanent residence year-round. There's a window. It comes open once a year, generally in the fourth quarter. Last year, I believe it opened up in October. I kind of anticipate a similar timeline this year, although going back a couple of years, it opened up in the middle of the summer. So, you know, it could happen fast, it could happen slow, it kind of remains to be seen. But long story short, yeah, we're getting up to the time frame where if you're thinking you may want to apply for PR, the time has pretty well come to go ahead and do that and to make your arrangements to go ahead and get your petition basically compiled, because you don't want to wait for the window to open. You want to go ahead and prepare in advance. It usually takes us a number of weeks to get a petition sort of prepped up so where it's sort of fileable, and then on top of that, you have to deal with sort of, you know, the various officers at the immigration office with respect to, you know, there's specifics in every case, and they want to see different kind of evidence depending on the circumstances of that case. So all of that takes time. It's kind of better to get moving on this sooner rather than later.